Okay, YouTube, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I fix, like, this is baby back ribs. I'm gonna do some baby back ribs in the oven, but I'm gonna show you how I do it. You know what I'm saying, in the oven, and this is an easy way that you could do it. All right, so right now what I got is some baby back ribs that I have washed and cleaned, but this is that little white stuff you see right here on the back of it. That's a membrane. Some people pull the membrane from these ribs, off the spare ribs and the baby backs, but I'm leaving my membrane on. I'm not going to pull the membrane off of this. All right, so I could do another video showing you exactly how I remove the membrane, but then there are a lot of videos that's on YouTube showing you exactly how to remove the membrane from your ribs, whether you're cooking spare ribs or baby back. So today I do have baby back ribs. So this is what I got. Baby back ribs that I pretty much split in half for one rack. Now the things that I'm going to use for seasoning, this is all I'm going to use. I don't know if you can see it, but it's called Charlie Mills Famous Barbecue Seasoning Mix. And this is like a local product here in Durham, North Carolina. But if you want to try something like this, there's a number right there where you can call. And he do ship all over United States, so you could definitely try this. But if you don't have this here Charlie Mills, basically it's like a lot of seasonings with red pepper flakes and all the other kind of stuff in it. So your general barbecue seasoning will work for this recipe. Whatever you might want to use, your favorite barbecue seasoning, or you can create your own. It don't matter. So the other ingredients, which is basically you can get your hands on, is this here Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to use Mike D's barbecue sauce. Now I love this here Mike D's big sauce. And Mike D, he sell this stuff online. And if you was to go to Mike D's, let me see right here if I can get it in focus. Yeah, if you can go to MikeD's.com, definitely, man, you could try it. This is also another North Carolina product, which is local here also, and I use this basically dang near all the time. Whether if I'm preparing plates or whatever, this would be my go-to barbecue sauce. So I'm giving away my secret, y'all. All right, the next thing I do have, I got some onions. This is one onion cut up, one yellow bell pepper, and one orange bell pepper cut up, and that's all you need. So let's go ahead and get into this here video, and I'm gonna show you how I prepare these ribs. All right, the very first thing I want to do is I got me a shaker, which I do have my seasoning in there. I just want to shake these seasonings all up on there. Some people, man, they put like mustard binder or some type of oil binder or something like that on their ribs. But I want to keep these, you know, just dry and just sprinkle this here seasoning. Now with this here Charlie Mills, it's seasoned to the point to where you don't have to add no salt to your ribs or nothing like that. And this is some good seasoning. Very good on pork. Alright, so then I want to go ahead and flip these ribs. And I didn't trim them or nothing like that. Since we go into the oven, I just want to keep them just like they came out the pack. Alright. Hold on. Give them a nice little coat. And like you say, Charlie Mills, they have these red pepper flakes that's in here as well. And I like this container because it's thin to where it'll keep the pepper flakes on the inside. And if I had to, see here, see the pepper flakes? That's how it looks. Alright, and all I have to do is just pinch off some off top, just spread it. This is why I like the pepper shaker, because I can control how much of this red pepper would come out on my meat. Some people don't like it all that spicy. Alright, so the next thing I would do is I'll go ahead and add these onions, just like so. Add these onions and bell peppers right on top. Give it nice flavor so your ribs won't be all plain. Then I'll take me some of this here Mike D's barbecue sauce, just a little bit, and just slather it right on top. And that'll be enough for that. Now, I'm not going to use the Baby Rays just yet. I'll show you what to do with the Baby Rays in a minute. Give it a nice shake. And then I'm going to go to the oven at 375 degrees and just let this cook for at least around about a good hour. And I'm going to cover these and let it cook for a good hour. And then I'll take it out and show you what I do next. Okay, I let this sit in the oven for at least around about 1 hour. I took the cover off of it, and then I took some of the barbecue sauce that's right at the bottom and just start basting some of this here barbecue sauce right on top of the meat. Now, after I've done this, I place this right back in the oven, uncovered, and I continue to let this meat cook for at least around about another hour and 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And I continue to baste the baby back ribs with the juice at least every 30 minutes. After the time was up, I took the ribs out, and at the last 15 to 20 minutes, I basted with the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and this is what we came up with. This is definitely a good tasting recipe, something that's easy and quick that you could do at home. And if you give this recipe a try, I believe you will love it. Like I say, you could use any of your favorite barbecue seasonings and barbecue sauces. I want to say thank you guys so much for checking out this here video. I really do appreciate it. If you could, please visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also, comment on this video and let me know what you would like to see in the future. Give this video a thumbs up, all right? And if you would do me a favor, love and not hate. And I hope that all is well with everyone. Peace and be blessed.